Operator gets back at the end of the day. There's a little end of day procedure to save the life of the pump and the dosatron. All right. What's first you got to decide was I spraying post rinse out of the post rinse, because then the dosatron's already been cleaned out. If not, then I would switch it to drawing from post rinse and pull open this connector and put a bucket underneath and just get enough post rinse through that to rinse out the dosatron, and then go back to your SH for the morning and reconnect to the reel. That way you don't have to push all of that post rinse through the reel later tomorrow when you're trying to clean again. Second one is to clean off the pump. So that's a little more complicated in that you'll want to connect your stinger, choose your stinger selection. Either put this into the post rinse tank or into water to be able to rinse the pump. Disconnect the fill from the tank, put a bucket over here, and then turn on the pump to draw from the stinger, water, or post rinse, enough to get half a gallon through this. Turn off the pump, and you can reconnect this back to your bleach tank. You've now rinsed the pump. Simple and effective. In the morning, if you're going to reload SH, you use the same stinger, choice valve into the 50-gallon tank for loading SH.